What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Healthy Don't Hurt, man. Tech vlog number 7. Got a new help desk job. We'll see how this goes. At this point, I'm just trying to see how far I can take this, because I feel like I've maxed out as far as like how far I can take this. Even like the money I can make, the responsibility that's going to be given to me, I feel like I've maxed out, considering I don't have a degree. I wouldn't even say I was crafty. I was just pretty clever, and I had really good salesmanship, and that helped me get my foot in the door, and that gives me opportunity to prove myself. As long as you deliver, nobody cares. So I think I've either gotten really lucky, or I've made sure that I over deliver. And a lot of times you could do that because people ain't really trying out work to begin with. It's not too hard to keep up with your team, with people on your team, if they really don't care and they're just coasting through. If everybody's just coasting and you suck, it's you gotta, if you just hustle a little bit, you won't get fired. You won't get fired. So I'm just taking this as far as it can go. I'm gonna start taking courses on LinkedIn, and I'm gonna post them. I'm gonna start having a really strong presence on LinkedIn and Reddit, and that way 6 months from now, when people ask me in interviews what I've been doing and what, I can give them my username and they can see the posts and my projects, and I might as well just turn this into a marketing for me to get a IT job. This just happens to be a corner of my life. Both for interest and what brings money on the table is technology for me, and I consider it very, very useful to me in my life. But I mean, I'm just seeing how far I could take it. Like I don't have nothing else. Like working out, I used to want to get jacked. I got jacked. I'm in the process of getting jacked again. It's just taking a little while. But like I know what to do. That crap doesn't interest me. Anybody could just curl, work out every day, eat healthy. You'll get into good shape. Yeah, take a little bit of steroids. You'll be freaky and have giant veins and be looking like a bodybuilder. It's not that hard, man. But learning how to code, manage users, do backups, and all kinds of crap, that's a little difficult because it takes thinking up here. That's something I'm trying to get used to. Because I'm getting wore out after like 4 or 5 hours of learning this shit, following these long ass YouTube videos. I'd be like, dear God. But yeah, man. I mean, I haven't made any progress. I have so long to go in this. I just made a little. I just did a couple steps. I didn't even go that far, but I got so far to go. It's like really overwhelming. But at this point, I don't care because I have nothing else. I have nothing else, sadly. And I feel like the fact I made it this far is pretty cool. And I've had a lot of losses though. Let's not get that twisted. I've taken positions that sucked. I've lost opportunities. I've lost opportunities before I even got the job. I've lost opportunities while on the job. Just it could be so frustrating because it's all problem solving, but you get better. That's what I like about it. It sucks and I think it's stupid, but then when stuff goes south, you figure it out, and that's the beauty of this crap, man. And you have a real good opportunity to learn through failure. Any other place you can't really do that for an accountant. You can't like mess up and then like go to a different company and you're like, oh, where'd you get fired? You're gonna have to mention that. Your name's gonna be attached to some documents. You might end up in court, but IT, you can make a little mistake here and there. That ain't that big of a deal. But you learn from those mistakes. But yeah, it's just pretty cool. We'll see how far it can go. Have any of you guys obtained an IT position, without a degree, or like, I don't know. The pressure behind it is just, I don't know. I don't know, man. It's a lot, but it's fun. It's decent.